Okay. Ah, shit. Okay, JC's down. I need to find it.
Somehow I survived 1 health.
I have 12 lah. I don't have much health. Yeah, should have tried back into the abyss. I should just whacked into death.
We took so long. We took so long at that corridor there. The how come? I thought there was a.
Hey, something else. There's something else.
Oh,
Ain't no
Oh,
chef.
okay, close, close, close.
I zap him. Oh no.
I'm coming. I can wait.
Oh no, he beat.
Jane, the photon trying to shoot
Hey,
you.
behind, spill.
Oh, that was my bad. Yeah.
Spill, turn around. No, behind you, Marcus.
No.
I fucking the strike just trap it skin against the wall. Don't really know.
Oh.
An ally has been slain.
I'm restarting.
I'm top.
Don't.
Eh? Gone. What the? Yeah, he's on the.
Okay, coming. Sorry, so I know she zap him.
Where?
Wait.
I trained him already. He fell down.
So I beat him or not?
You beat her.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh!
Hey, watch out!
Oh my god.
Hey, anyone can still beat him or not?
I'm coming. Shit, I need to. Oh, wait, what the fuck?
Fatality.
What the fuck happened?
Call, man.
I don't know.
Oh, he's not dead. He's not dead.
What? I'm not dead.
No.
You're gonna have to do something else, man. Yeah, don't send me anymore. Oh shit!
Fatality.
Oh my god.
I don't know what you're doing. Oh. Okay. Thank you.
I'm gonna bring the doll, Watch out for enemies,
There's a he knocked me. Oh, I
An
fell.
ally has been slain.
He knocked me to the hole.
What the fuck is that doing?
Never mind, we can.
Oh,
I'm
there's
putting
a no.
Okay. I'm coming over once I stop the door.
There's a gnome below you, JC. Hey, JC, he's backing our back.
I'm coming over. Hello.
Let's clear the third point.
Just put a card in, no? Should be good enough already. We have 2 cards, right? Yeah. Hey! Fuck! It's a fucking. How did the no?
Whoa. Careful, don't fall in.
I'm going to the top. I don't think it can fit it. Can it fit? It looks like it can. Watch out! I got it.
Hey, Faceless is behind it.
Huh? What?
The Faceless is behind the do not open box.
First blood.
Oh shit.
Double kill.
Oh, he fell in.
Oh, he's still alive.
No, he haven't.
Executed.
Now he fell in.
Oh wow, he killed everything. Killed everybody.
Oh, everybody's there, right?
Quickly go and rest.
Hey, there's a gnome.
Get everybody's heads and yeah.